Hello Elysion owners, as I promised I'll making one video about timing belt parts where I got them from. So as you can see in the picture now on eBay, I have idler, tensioner and other idler with for the timing belt. So as you can see here, it's in dollars and roughly it's like 93 pounds plus 10 postage. I think I paid something like 120 pounds in total for this one, with delivery and with VATs. No, sorry, not VATs, with import duty, so something like that. So as you can see here, and it's ASIN and Koyo idlers. Next one is pump. So now pump I bought from, as you can see here, water pump Yamada, which is 19200 part number, and it cost that one I bought from a dealer because I didn't want to risk it, just in case, because I heard some stories, propeller shaft is coming off and pump start leaking so many miles later. And as you can see here, pump cost 118, nearly 119 pounds plus VAT, so it's in total was like 140 pounds. So 140, another 140 to 80, no, sorry, 120 for those idlers. And then if I go back to, where's my eBay? No eBay. Okay, let's go eBay again. And if I go and type in one, there you go, this one, search, timing belt, 15 pounds, there you go, Gates, and will fit 3-liter engines, 3.5-liter, 3.2-liter engines, I think so. So I've used this one and was no problem. Read more. Okay, number of teeth 197 with 220 mil. So yeah, it's the same. And as you can see here, so many cars will go under this none. 3.2, 3-liter, 3.5. There you go. So now, unless you want to go and order from Honda, it's like timing belt is 40 pounds, as you can see here. So it's quite a lot of money. It's like 450. So I paid, I think in total was like 280 pounds in total for everything, and then plus my hours to replacing it. There you go. And I'll try to find one of my subscribers send me a list, a page on as well, where you can put a part number in, and he sent me that page, so I'll try to find this one and I will include in the description. So here you go, guys. Thanks for watching. And by the way, my car will be, I bought another Honda Elysion, so as you know, and probably I will need to replace timing belt again, so it's not big deal. Okay guys, cheers, bye.